Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do and share with you another project pan. I done one last year, it was fun, I went through some products, I'm proud of myself, and so I thought that I would do it again. These are all my products in this little bitty box, and they're really crammed in there, and I'm going to show them all to you now. The first and only nail product I have is this Sally Hansen Healthy Cuticles Now. This is an older product. I'm not sure that you can find this anymore in stores. I know it's not at Walmart, maybe Walgreens or something. I think at the time I probably found this at Walgreens or like Rite Aid or CVS or something. But it's a really good cuticle cream, and as you can tell, it's almost gone, so I threw that in here as, you know, a motivation to just go ahead and use it all, even though it is a great cuticle product. Next item up is the Covergirl Smoothers. This is the hydrating makeup, and I have it in ivory. I really love this foundation, I really do, but you can't see through the package, you can't tell where it is, and I'm pretty sure I'm at least halfway through this product, and I would like to try some new foundations, so I thought that I would throw this in here. Next item up is something I use in almost every single video, is the Maybelline Supreme Kohl Kajal Eyeliner. Don't you just love this gold packaging? It's very pretty. It's one of the auto liners, so twist up. Literally that's all the product I have left, and I have been using other eyeliners too, so I'm just going to make it a point to try to use this one up to get it out of my collection. Next item is the Maybelline Great Lash. This is the clear, translucent, transparent, like brow mascara basically. So I marked off where I am now. Honestly, I don't know how quickly I will get through this, but we're going to try to put more of a dent in it, because I mean, it's almost gone. And yeah, so I threw that in there. The next item is a mascara that I wasn't too fond of at first, but then it started drying out, and I actually really love it now. But it is almost gone, so let's try to use this up. I've been using like 3-4 other mascaras too, so I'm going to try to use this one up. It's the Kitty Cat Eye Mascara from Covergirl. Next item is from Maybelline, and it's our first eyeshadow in the project pan. This trio is Almond Satin, and I love this trio. That's why it looks like this. I'm going to get a new one, to be honest, but I want to use this one first. It has these beautiful shades in there. You always use this one in the lid, this one in the crease, and this one in the outer corner, this one on the brow bone as well. I kind of went ahead and marked off where they are, and let's see if we can try to get this one down to pan as well. It's almost there, but I love this. I love it for creating natural kind of pin-up kind of everyday kind of looks with the winged eyeliner and the bold lid. That's what I use this for. Most often, if I'm doing my makeup to go out or church and things like that, I'm most often using this palette here, to be honest, or this trio. This is amazing. You have to check that one out for yourself. I have a few more Maybelline products. This one actually was in the project pan prior to this one, but I'm not ready to let it go. And it's the Maybelline Color Tattoo in Barely Beige. These are amazing. If you've never tried a color tattoo, which more than likely you have because they've been out a really long time, these are really awesome bases. They stay put, they don't budge. You can wear them all day long. There's a reason why they did put that 24 hours on there, because I've had no problems with them staying, wearing my makeup for hours on end. Like, these are amazing. No creasing. You could even use this as an eyeshadow base all over. They do have some like matte flash shades, so those would be good for that. And I tried to mark it off where it is so we can keep track of that. But there's a pretty big dent in this one, so it's just about gone. Hopefully this project pan and it will be gone. Next Maybelline item I have is the Age Rewind. This is the under eye concealer. Once again, product I've had for a really long time. It has the sponge on there. Twist up the product. This thing's great. I think it does a great job at concealing under eyes. It's lightweight. It doesn't settle in creases and crease in general, or you know, settle in your fine lines. I love this. That's literally how much is left there, like very little. I marked it off. So I thought it's time to toss, well, basically use this one up, get it out of the collection, and more than likely repurchase, because this thing was great. Next item I have is also from Maybelline, and this is the Master Prime Primer Blur in Illuminate. I'm pretty far into this product as well, so I thought that I would throw this in. It is a light pink color, and it's shimmery, and it kind of is, you know, skin like dewy. It's like a dewy kind of primer, shimmery, but without any glitter, you guys. There's no glitter in this. It just has that shimmery thing going on. No chunky glitter. Anyways, I marked it up here, but as you can tell from the bobby pin, I'm actually a little bit further down than that, and that's where I am. So hopefully we can use this up. I just ordered a new primer online from Shop Miss A, so I want to start using some new stuff. So I want to get this one out of my collection. Honestly, I don't mind having a lot in my collection. Obviously, I love makeup, but every now and then I do like to rotate my makeup, go through my makeup, toss things, give things away, sometimes sell things, honestly, and I usually don't keep a lot of like face stuff in my collection, just because a lot of time I'll use a powder and concealer and go on my way. And so I usually just have like one primer, 2 or 3 powders, 1 or 2 foundations, like very little in comparison to some other beauties here on YouTube that have a ton of face stuff. Like the stuff I don't buy really to try out. I'm a eyeshadow person, mascara, blush, you know, all that good stuff. Anyways, so the last item is a powder foundation from Flower Beauty. I really like Flower Beauty. I thought this was going to have, I thought this would be better coverage, I should say. That doesn't make this a bad powder, but it is very light kind of coverage, and I just use it to set my foundation. So, this is not a powder that I pick up to use by itself, to be honest. But now I'm going to, because I want to hit pan on it and toss it out of the collection here. So, yes, that's this one. And this one's in the shade PP1. So, more than likely, the lightest shade. Maybe I should have went a shade up. It matches my skin tone. I'm very fair. But, like I said, there's not a lot of coverage there. I'm more like a setting powder with no additional color, really. It comes with this little brush. I like that instead of a puff. It's really nice. I always use that brush underneath my eyes a lot. It's just compact, and it works for that area really well. And there's quite a bit of powder left, as you can tell. There is a dent in it. I can feel it even too, so we're going to work on that. And you get quite a bit of product. I want to say this was $10 or $11. I'm not entirely sure. I cannot remember. But her products are really good products. There's a lot of great products in her Flower Beauty and Drew Barrymore. And if you've not tried any Flower Beauty, you guys, you need to try the highlighting trio she has. That thing's amazing. You'll probably toss every other highlight you own, unless you own like some high-end stuff. But literally, it's the best highlighters in my collection, and I love them. But yeah, this powder, we're going to try to pan that. Even though, you know, it is a good powder, but yeah, I'm just ready to move on. Yes, and that's all the products. That's all for this Project Pan video. I will periodically be uploading videos showing the progress of the products with new markings and such on them. And if eventually they are done, you will also see that in the videos as well. Thank you guys for watching. I know a lot of you enjoyed the Project Pan video last time, so here's another one. And stay tuned for all the updates, and Yes! Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming Project Pan updates.